I'm gonna be the one to do it.
Smash Records in the house tonight, baby. Don't sleep! Yo, Sebastian! Yeah! What's up, man? Yo, Madonna, I got you, baby. You need to call me.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm making CB's Extra RK Treats. RK, of course, standing for Rice Krispies, and by extra I mean these are ooey, gooey, and that ain't no fooey, y'all. I know, sorry. Alright, let's do this, y'all. Same ingredients as for the regular. I'm just going to add a little bit more marshmallow at the end. Now you start by melting 1 stick of unsalted butter over medium heat. I let mine go a little bit longer to brown a bit, you know, for a little bit more nutty flavor. Alright, add your marshmallows. And stir them until melted. Alright, when it's nice and melted, you want to add your pinch of salt, which I did not do here because that was salted butter. But add your vanilla, give it a stir. And then add your Rice Krispies. I think it's about 6 cups. By the way, full recipe available at cbactivetraveler.com. Okay, so you add the Rice Krispies and you add an extra cup of marshmallows. It was humid that day, so those all stuck together. Didn't matter though, just keep stirring. They'll separate. And you see what you got there? Melted marshmallow and then partially melted marshmallow. Just keep stirring off the heat. Alright, but it's not done. Moving quickly, lining the cookie sheet with parchment paper. Quick spray of the nonstick and spread out your mixture. But because there's partially melted marshmallow in there, it sets up more quickly, so you gotta move quickly. Press it out, let it cool down for a few minutes, and then get another half a cup of marshmallow. Go to the microwave about 15 seconds. Get a fork or a spoon and drizzle some more marshmallow on top of the other marshmallow, making it ooey gooey. What I tell you ain't no fooey. Alright, everybody, store them in an airtight container. Thanks so much. Like and subscribe to this video. See you next time.